Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, in this video I going to discuss IBPS, IPS, RRB, PO 2021 preliminary expected cutoff. Okay friends, we going to see expected cutoff of RRB PO preliminary examination. So friends, all these days you are prepared well and finally day has come to give your examination. See friends, whatever attempts you are made, okay, no issue, either it is correct or wrong, but one thing friends, there are many notifications pending. Okay, still we have hope in this year. We need to expect some notifications. I going to discuss what are those notification in this video, and I going to tell all this expected cutoff of each and every state and category wise and state wise. See friends, in this year we can expect ESIC notification in October. Okay, this is one of the best jobs. You can expect this notification. That too paper model also same as banking pattern only. There is no much change in paper. Okay, again IDBI executive notification also this year it will come. Okay friends, this will be very easy exam, means not that much tough. It is like a preliminary examination type. So you have reasoning, aptitude and English. That too 150 marks you have to obtain in this. Total score for this IDBI executive is 150 marks. Okay, you have like a preliminary examination type, same pattern you have, and that too level of examination is easy. These two notification we can expect. Again LIC going to release notification this year. If it is not possible, they will give you in January. They will give you in January 2022. Okay friends, be optimistic. Okay, don't be pessimistic at any cost. So we can see next expected cutoff of RRBPO. See friends, we have two sections, that is reasoning and aptitude, and total time we have for this 45 minutes. So friends, for some of the shifts reasoning may be is easy, and some of the shifts aptitude may be easy for some people. Okay, for some of the shifts both may be easy also. So but the total attempts orally it is like in between 48 to 63, like this only will be the range. See friends, we going to discuss each and every details. So see friends, here Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all states were given here and category wise given in this side. See friends, Andhra Pradesh general category 53 will be cut off, and EWS 51, OBC will be 50, SC will be 49, ST will be 46. Telangana 61 it will be general cut off, EWS 60 and OBC 58, SC 57, ST 46. Again see friends, Tamil Nadu may be less cut off because posts were more and applied candidates may be less in this region, actually in Tamil Nadu. So general it is 54, EWS it is 51, OBC it is 49 and SC it is 48, ST it is 35. Again Karnataka we going to see, Karnataka general 59 and EWS 57, OBC 56 and SC 57. See friend, Karnataka 55 and ST it is 47. Rajasthan 60 and OBC it is 49, 59, SC it is 57, ST it is 51. See friends, in this year, means particularly 2021, posts are more. Okay, posts were more. So cutoff, don't think that cutoff will come down. Why cutoff won't be less means many clerical cadre and other banks people, they were going for RRB POs. Okay, RRB PO exam, because they feel that RRB PO it will be somewhat easy for them to handle this one. Okay, again Rajasthan we see visa, again Bihar it is general it is 49 to 50 and EWS it is 48, OBC it is 48 and SC it is 45 and ST it is 43. Again Delhi 62, EWS 60, OBC it is 59 and SC it is 57, ST it is 49. Like this we can see here Jharkhand 56, 55 EWS, OBC 53 and SC it is 50, ST it is 47. Again Madhya Pradesh friends, it is general category 50 and EWS 48, OBC 48, SC 47, ST 43. Again Maharashtra posts are very more and a cutoff may come down this time. Maharashtra general it is 49, EWS it is 47 and OBC it is 46, SC 46 and ST 40. Haryana you can see friends, Haryana every time cutoff is very high. Okay, this time also going to be high. Again it is tight fight only. Haryana general category it is 60 and EWS 58 and OBC 57, SC 52 and SC ST it is 50. Again Assam state applied candidates are very less, means cutoff also less going to be less. So see general it is 45, EWS 43, OBC 42, SC 40 and ST 40. Odisha see friends, Odisha actually SC and ST candidates are less applied candidates and general category it is more, so it is going to be tough fight for Odisha general people. It is 63 for general and EWS 60 and OBC 58, SC 55, ST it is 42. Again Gujarat you can going to see, Gujarat again general people, general it is more and remaining categories are less, so here also general people it is very tough fight for them. See general it is 59 and EWS 58, OBC 55, SC it is 54 and ST it is 43. West Bengal friends, West Bengal cutoff going to be less because appeared people less only compared to other states. So West Bengal general 53, EWS 50, OBC 49 and SC 49, ST it is 44. Uttar Pradesh you can going to see friends, here Uttar Pradesh many people going to be applied, but the thing is that here only posts are very more here, posts are very more, so the cutoff will come down. Okay, for preliminary one post they will select 10 people, so that's the reason here Uttar Pradesh more vacancies are there, so here going to be cutoff will be less. Okay, for preliminary, so Uttar Pradesh general category 48, EWS 47, OBC 47 and SC 45 and ST it is 39. Uttarakhand we can going to see, Uttarakhand general people who applied it is more, so going to be cutoff high. General people it is for 62, EWS 61, OBC 60, SC 48, 58 and ST 47. And Chhattisgarh friends, Chhattisgarh the region we can see here Chhattisgarh people who are applied here very less, so cutoff going to be also less. See friends, general it is 46, EWS 44, OBC 44, SC 45, ST 38. See friends, whatever the expected cutoff given, it is based on my own experience. I have been in this banking last for 4 years. Okay, see friends, this cutoff may vary like this also, may vary -3 +1. So whatever marks I am given, it is going to be -3 marks or going to be +1. Okay, means whatever cutoff expected cutoff I given, it is going to be +1. Whatever the cutoff I given previously, that one +1 are going to be -3 for some of the states. So in between will be the your cutoff. Okay, whichever the category it may be, but cutoff will be the in between only, -3 and +1. How it is I given cutoff 50 means some states it going to be high means it is 51 maximum and less means it is 50 - 3 it is 47. See friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it to your friends, and I will update you all notifications regarding banking. Okay friends, bye friends, thank you for your watching.